Hi everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and you're tuned into the J. Moore Reviews and Unboxing channel. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. We're actually looking at a Coast PM300 Pro Mount Pivot Light with patented optics. Let's open this up. All right, so this is the Coast Pivot Light. So a little bit about how it works. First, a little caution about LED lights. I'm not sure if you can see that light in there. It's off, so it's okay to look at it. If you ever look at that light, and a lot of times people just think it's fun to look at a light, like a flashlight, don't do that with this. That light is so intense that it will actually cause an image to be put into your eye, and when you look away, you're gonna be like seeing like this light in your eye, and it's gonna like blind you. Don't test that, so just a little warning. I like that it has a little cradle like that, okay? What I also like about this is that if you are working on a car, or you're working somewhere, it has a magnet, so you can literally just stick it right up. Now here's how it works, but again, don't look at the light directly, so I'm gonna point away, push it once, and there's our light. I'll just turn off the light a second so you can get an idea of how bright it is. If I push it again, it's off. Okay, so pretty easy to use. It looks like it has different modes. So it first comes on very bright. 1, 2, 3. I like the idea and the way that it actually has this full pivot, so you can actually rotate. You can actually rotate it 360 degrees. Isn't that cool? And you know the thing I like about this, ladies and gentlemen? It came with the batteries. It came with the batteries. Look at that. Nice job, Coast. I'm gonna say this product was probably, if I had to guess, probably under 40 bucks, maybe like $29 or $39. But I mean, really nice. And you close that. This is really nice because you could work on your car, you could work on different things in your basement, but as long as you have something metal to click it to. So I could put it right to our ceiling. How about that? I could take it right just like that. Isn't that cool? I gotta tell you something. I usually don't give things high ranks, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna give it a 10. But you know what I'm gonna give it? A 9.5. That's pretty good for me, right? I don't usually give things that high of a rating, but Coast, I gotta tell you, I'm very impressed with the product, the durability, how it's made. It's made very rugged. I think it's neat. I mean, you also have one other feature I forgot to tell you about is that when you turn the light on, turn off the light here, if you take this thing like this, you can actually focus the light beam. Tell me that ain't cool. So again, Coast, I think this is a great product. Really strong magnet on the bottom. It's not like a weak magnet. And I stuck it right to my ceiling. I can't say enough good things about this product. I was not that, let's say, optimistic how this was gonna work out because the price tag, I figured, hey, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I have to say something. A lot of times we buy these products and they don't work out and I return them. I think I may actually keep this. So we'll have the link on how you can get this. But listen, ladies and gentlemen, if you have a product that you'd like us to review, you can go to jmore.com. At the top right, you'll click on Reach Out to Us. Let us know what your product is. Remember, you can't pay us to say anything about your product. So if you are looking to send us a lemon, don't expect me to make it lemonade. If you want to know the truth about the product and you want others to know that truth, send it to me because I'm going to expose it for everything it is, whether that's good or whether that's bad. All right, and your product can be anything about technology. It could be something with a plug, something with a battery. It could be something with a crank. I don't review anything that has to do with, let's say if it's pharmaceutical, I'm not going to review like a drug or something like that. But I will review all types of products, different types of tools, flashlights. So anything that deals with technology, and technology doesn't mean that it has to have a battery or it has to plug in or it has to be solar. It could just be something really creative, like a clip. If your product actually has to come out of the box and has several things like our drone and stuff like that, then we'll do an unboxing. Then we'll do a review, and then we may actually invite you on the J. Moore Tech Talk Show. You will need to donate the product to us, and you also will need to send it to us prepaid, free. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate you tuning into the J. Moore Reviews channel. Please give this video a like. It really helps me out on YouTube. You can just smash that bell notification icon so that you'll know when I publish future videos that are going to be reviews. And also click on that subscribe button, because that helps YouTube and their algorithm to know and to share things with you. But check out my other channels, like Envision, ENVISION Networking, where you'll get Science Fridays and How to Network with John, and we tie that into people and real important lessons of life. You'll also be able to check out John C. Morley, Serial Entrepreneur, where I have things like Fantastic, Fabulous, Super Motivational Friday and more tips. And also you can check me out on Facebook on John C. Morley, Serial Entrepreneur. So just a wealth of information, and yes, this information is all free that I'm giving you. Why am I doing this? I'm hoping to help make your lives a little bit better by doing what we do best, which is helping ourselves become better versions of ourselves. Not just us, but people around. And remember, John C. Morley, Serial Entrepreneur, I am your video and marketing creator for all the content you could ever need in your life or your business. I'll see you real soon.